Hey everyone, welcome back to the FlexiSpot channel. Over the years, FlexiSpot has delivered some of the best standing desks in the game. Known for high quality and great value, these desks have earned their place in thousands of workspaces. And today, we're diving in to one of our best-selling models, the E7PRO. To date, over 50,000 units have been sold worldwide. So, what makes this desk so popular? Let's find out. If you've ever used a standing desk before, you know stability is everything. That's exactly where the E7PRO shines. Let's talk design. The E7PRO uses a more advanced 3-stage leg system with an enhanced lifting leg structure paired with a 68 centimeter long, 3 kilogram heavy-duty feet. What that gets you is architectural level stability. The center of gravity stays low, reducing shake and side-to-side sway. Plus, the C-shaped legs push the weight support toward the back and better load distribution. Let's test it. We've got a glass of water on the desk, raising it to the full height. Perfectly still. Now, let's step it up. I'm pushing the desk from all sides. Still rock solid. Dynamic load capacity, 160 kilograms. That's me and David together. No sweat. We believe a desk should adjust to you, not the other way around. That's why the E7PRO offers a wide height range from 63.5 to 128.5 centimeters with 4 memory presets. Whether you're typing, watching a movie, eating your lunch, or standing to work, it takes just one tap to hit your perfect position. Plus, there's a built-in Type-C port for fast charging, so your favorite devices are always powered. Got kids or pets? The position lock prevents accidental touches, and the anti-collision system detects obstacles and pulls back slightly, keeping things safe. Thanks to the C-shaped legs, you also get more legroom. And when I need to get up quickly, I don't have to slide my chair out first. I just move smoothly. The E7PRO moves at 40 millimeters per second, and it's a whisper quiet. It runs just like a PC fan, so it won't interrupt your focus or concentration.
Performance is only half the E7PRO story. The unboxing and setup experience, also dialed in. Once you place an order on our website, your desk arrives in 2 separate boxes, on time and free of shipping fees.
Why 2 boxes? Simple. It gives each component room to breathe. Packing everything into one box? That's how parts get scratched. Let's take a closer look. Each part is individually wrapped, every screw is labeled clearly, and the layout? Super intuitive. Here's a popular desk from another brand. Everything's stuffed into a single box. It's cramped, overwhelming, and hard to get started. Both desks come with legs, a crossbeam, feet, a control box, and a keypad. But the E7PRO adds a few premium extras, a magnetic cover and a cable tray. Let's be real, assembling a standing desk can feel intimidating, but we've made it easy. Our installation guide is beginner-friendly, and even if you've never done this before, you'll be fine. All the keyholes are pre-drilled, there's no guesswork. So let's check the time, 2:54. Let's see how long it takes me, solo, to build this thing. All right, 13 minutes, not too bad. The black walnut finish with matte black legs looks so good. I'd proudly put this in my own workspace. Now, check out the other desk again. They quote 25 minutes on their official website, which honestly checks out. See those weirdly placed holes? You'll need more serious patience. And the control box? The E7PRO already has it pre-installed in the crossbeam, so more time saved. Let's turn our attention back to the E7PRO. Remember the magnetic cover and cable tray? They make it definitely easy to organize everything, from power cords to monitor cables. Your setup stays clean, clutter-free, and ready for work. And here's the thing, other brands charge you extra for cable management. For the users of the E7PRO, it's included. I know you still have some questions. We've already thought about it for you. The E7PRO comes with a 10-year warranty, one of the longest in the industry. We want you to use this desk with confidence for the long haul. So if you're looking for a standing desk that's powerful, premium, and well worth the price, this is the one. Ready to try it out? Visit our website and place your order with a 60-day risk-free trial. You can test it at home, no pressure. And if you ever need help, our global support team is always online. We've got you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.